Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today guys I will show you how to refund your order on Joyabuy. So guys, for example, I have this order, and if you want to refund your order guys, all you have to do, if you don't find the order refund or cancel order option, click this icon on the bot, and from here click this icon message transfer. As you can see guys, click transfer me to agent. And guys, from here enter your email, your username and email address, click send, and then click about order, enter your details, order, for example, about order, and then request your return option here guys, and complete the steps, enter your account, write these informations, and after that click on it will guide you this bot to refund your order, and choose one or two. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content, and you can write your return and refund guide from here guys. This is all guide, and this is you will help you to get your order. Thanks guys for watching this video.